Why is ceremonial cacao saving the world? Our intention with starting Cacao Source is to know the land from which this cacao is being grown. And through this land, we can act in service to this medicine. Because the land is all of life on Earth. It is the tropical rainforests which pump the global water cycle, not to mention housing more than half of the biodiversity on Earth. These ecosystems are essential to the entire vitality of the planet. Cacao is a medicine to the world when we look at the entire global picture of how it's being produced and reinvest this love and these prayers back into the land. So if we're going to go back to the root of why cacao is medicine, it starts in the soil. The soil is the battery and the life of the whole ecosystem that supports it. So by honoring the soil, we're honoring the trees. Most agriculture is done in a way where they're trying to maximize the profits, and this means mostly an extractive form of agriculture. The rainforests from where the cacao comes from are some of the richest habitats. They're full of life, biodiversity, and not only that, but the trees in this ecosystem are the lungs of the whole earth. Cacao Source honors the hands that tend to the land, and these hands, when it's done in an intentional way, are the ones who are protecting these ecosystems. They are guardians of biodiversity. They're guardians of the water cycle. They're guardians of this global heart of health. Next time you're holding the cacao in your hands, you can know that this medicine is honoring the rainforests, the water cycle, biodiversity, life on Earth, and protecting these vital ecosystems. We can send this love and this intention back into the land, back into the very foundation that is our life and our joy and our honor and our pride to protect these resources. The forest has taught us how to live in abundance. There is so much fruit and flowers and resources for all the living creatures. And when we allow cacao to grow in this natural, wild ecosystem, we can honor all of the life forms. When the trees grow, they pull up nutrients from the ground up into the leaves, and the leaves fall back down, nourishing the soil again. We can learn from these natural ecosystems and walk lightly upon them and still give back in ways that they continue to not just produce fruit, but to expand and to flourish and to cover ecosystems that were once cut and desolate back into this abundant, regenerative life and forest.